Diet plays a major role in both the prevention of cancer and the contributing factors of cancer growth and cancer metastasis. Even the American Cancer Society on its website says that only 5 to 10% of cancers are genetic. The rest of the cancers are due to lifestyle choices and diet. So in light of that fact, pay attention to 8 nutrients that are some of the best dietary compounds that you can introduce into your daily diet to inhibit the spread of cancer. Number 1, ursolic acid. This is a plant oil and a phytonutrient. It's found in herbs like holy basil and oregano and the skin of apples and bilberries. An increase in dietary ursolic acid is associated with treating pancreatic cancer, cervical cancer, lung cancer, colon cancer, skin cancer, and breast cancer. It also turns back on apoptosis and enables those cancer cells to actually self-destruct, which is the problem with cancer. Those cells don't want to die. This turns back on that mechanism. Number 2, vitamin D. Vitamin D is critical to the production of a cancer-fighting protein called GC-MAF, which inhibits cancer metastasis or spreading and even has the capability to reverse the devastating effects of cancer on the body. Receiving a healthy dose of vitamin D every day supports the synthesis or the production of GC-MAF, and therefore it shuts down pro-cancer receptors and enzymes that encourage cancer to spread. Try to get at least 10 minutes of sun exposure every day. During exposure to sunlight, the cholesterol in your skin absorbs the ultraviolet B radiation from the sun and converts it into vitamin D3. Add vitamin D-rich foods to your diet also, including wild-caught salmon, organic pastured eggs, mushrooms, and fermented, not pasteurized dairy or whole milk from grass-fed cows. Number 3, curcumin. This compound is what gives turmeric the yellow color. It's a powerful antioxidant that can prevent and treat diseases associated with chronic inflammation like cancer. By regulating apoptosis and inhibiting cancer cell growth, curcumin is included in numerous medical products as a therapeutic agent to support a healthy immune system. Curcumin has been demonstrated in clinical studies to inhibit the proliferation of cancer cells and metastasis associated with a variety of cancers, including breast, uterine, ovarian, kidney, bladder, renal, brain, leukemia, colorectal, liver, pancreatic, lung, and non-Hodgkin lymphoma. If you haven't been convinced to include curcumin in your daily diet by now, as my dad used to say, there just ain't no convincing you. Number 4, EGCG, which is short for epigallocatechin 3 gallate. It's been studied for 3 decades now, and it's a compound that's commonly known for its concentration in green tea. It's one of the primary nutrients associated with improving health and healing in traditional Chinese medicine. Consuming EGCG is believed to suppress tumor growth associated with several tissues in the body, like prostate, bladder, intestines, liver, pancreas, lungs, and the oral cavity. EGCG also induces apoptosis, supporting the destruction of cancer cells. Number 5, sulforaphane. This has been shown to fight the spread of cancer by inhibiting the activation of cancer cells. Sulforaphane inhibits the metastasis of cancers associated with the spleen, the colon, prostate, stomach, and breast. Broccoli sprouts are one of the best foods to eat to inhibit the spread of cancer in your body because they contain a lot of sulforaphane. Other excellent food choices that contain sulforaphane are cruciferous vegetables like cauliflower, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and kale. These foods also contain very high amounts of chlorophyll, and that's also cancer protective. Number 6, quercetin. This is an antioxidant that stimulates the body's natural detoxification pathways and exhibits natural anti-cancer properties. Eating foods that contain quercetin can suppress cancer cell proliferation. It can also reduce oxidative damage and can inhibit the activity of a mutant gene that's associated with tumor growth. That gene is known as P53. Quercetin has been associated with decreased breast cancer, leukemia, lung cancer, neuroblastoma, which is brain cancer, and colon cancer. Foods high in quercetin include onions, capers, blackberries, raspberries, black and green tea, dark cherries, cocoa powder, kale, apples, and herbs like sage and parsley. Number 7, Apigenin. This flavonoid inhibits the invasion of cancer cells to new tissue and also stops the growth of new tumors. It reduces free radical activity and it aids in the elimination of toxins from the body. It's been used extensively to maintain the health of the stomach, kidneys, liver, and the blood. Apigenin is found in many fruits and vegetables like celery, grapefruit, onions, and oranges. It's also found in beverages that are sourced from plants, including chamomile tea. Parsley is actually one of the best sources of Apigenin, so it's really easy to add this to your diet. And finally, number 8, Luteolin. This is found in green peppers, chamomile teas, and celery. It's a potent antioxidant, and it protects the lungs, liver, and heart tissue from inflammation. Luteolin inhibits the activation of cancer cells by suppressing pro-cancer enzymes, blocking the accumulation of carcinogens in new tissue, and supporting the elimination of toxic agents. Remember, you should eat to live, not live to eat. Eat to starve cancer cells by feeding your body these 8 important nutrients we've discussed today. This will stimulate apoptosis, which is programmed cell death in those cancer cells. It will prevent angiogenesis, which is the formation of new blood supply, and consequently, it will inhibit tumor formation and cancer metastasis or spreading to other areas of the body. Hope you've learned a lot, and we'll see you next time. God bless.